Now the next topic, everyone. Is value at risk, right? Now, value at risk actually defines basically what could be a monetary loss when you have a certain confidence level. You must have heard ki yaar, I'm 95% sure, 96% sure, right? So basically that 95% sure or 96% sure, what is that? That is called as your confidence level, right? That is called as confidence level. So basically based on that confidence level, what would be the potential loss that a company might face? That is called as value at risk. Okay, that is called as value at risk. Now, how to solve it is pretty simple, everyone. We don't have to worry much on how we are supposed to solve these questions. That is going to be very easy for all of us, right? Over here, what the projected, the projected value at risk depends on three things: confidence level, standard deviation, and number of years. Now, let me write down the formula as well. This is called as VAR, everyone. Okay, VAR is nothing but N multiplied by S multiplied by under root T. What is N? N is equal to confidence level, everyone. Right. S is equal to standard deviation. Standard deviation of project returns. And T is nothing but equal to number of years. So this is the formula of value at risk, everyone. Now, guys, always remember in the exam, generally they will give you two confidence level. Either it is 95% or 99%. Okay. Now, 95%, whenever they are giving you 95%, it means you have to use the STD of standard deviation of 1.645. Okay. 1.645. Whenever they are giving you 99%, it means you are supposed to use it 2.33. These are the respective standard deviation. Okay. Now, we have one question, everyone, for the same. Standard deviation of returns. So let's start solving this question, everyone. Value at risk. Now we have to solve it for two levels, everyone. 95% confidence level and 99%. So let's solve it for 95% first. Now, how are we going to solve this question? First of all, NPV volatility, which is your, first of all, confidence level, NST, that is the formula, right? Confidence level is given as 95% पे 1.645 multiplied by what is the standard volatility, standard deviation, which is 1.02 multiplied by under root 10. Okay. Now, when you solve it, how much are you getting, everyone? Equal to 5.3. Now, what is the meaning of this 5.3? But it means that there is 95%, but we are 95% confident that the value of investment will not fall more than 5.3 million. But this is the major thing. Now, there is 5% chance. So what is the meaning of this thing, everyone? So what is the meaning of this thing? There is 5% chance that NPV will be how much, everyone? 1.964 minus, what is my VAR? 5.3, right? So this is the final value that we are getting. So that will be equal to how much, everyone? But I just subtracted it upward, 3.36, something like that. So there is a 5% chance that my NPV can be negative of 3.336 or even less, right? Now, if I have to solve for 99%, same, don't have to worry much. 2.33 into 1.02 into under root 10. My answer would be 7.51. So now there is 1% chance that NPV will be 1.964 minus 7.51. That will be equal to 5.546 or less, right? So this is my final verdict on 95% confidence level and 99% confidence level. Now there is one topic which is also called as stress testing. In a very simple language, if I tell you guys, although never tested, stress testing is basically designed to test the sensitivity of a project value at a worst condition. At worst condition that can occur, everyone, right? This is the meaning of stress testing. If there is the worst condition that will happen, then what will be my NPV? So sensitivity based on worst condition is called as stress testing, everyone. Now